I have severe acidity problems and headaches. And according to Louise Hay, she says, love your body as it is and accept it. So, when I love my body as it is and accept it, how it is going to work for me? It's like if I continue eating junk food and if I continue eating outside and I use my mobile a lot, how is it going to solve my problem?
Yeah, good question. So, when Louis says, love your body, accept your body as it is, what she means is that when you love your body, you'll actually do what is right for your body. You're not going to end up eating more junk food. You're not going to end up not doing exercise, because when you love your body, when you really love your body, then what will you do? You'll treat your body like you love it. You'll give it the best. And you'll automatically start wanting to give it the right foods, healthy foods, without having that feeling of, oh, why do I have to do this? Because you actually love your body. When you love your child, when you love someone, what do? You do the best for them, right? You don't do something that's not okay. So that's exactly what you'll do if you'll start loving your body as it is. You won't be doing things to hurt your body or harm your body. And if something is not working for your body, like you said, you have headaches, you have acidity, then you'll actually do things to help your body to come out of those issues. Maybe in the beginning you'll continue to eat your junk food, you'll continue to not do exercise, you'll continue to do what you're doing now out of habit. Gradually that feeling will start setting in that, I want to really take care of my body because I love my body. And only if you start loving your body as it is, because you can't love your body otherwise. If you're saying, I love my body after it gets well, that means I don't love my body right now. And if I don't love it right now, then how am I going to treat it right now? Just the way you're talking, that's how you're going to treat it. So when she says, love it as it is, accept it as it means, as it is now, I still love you. And because I love you now, I can start creating change. That's what it is.